All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I just wanted to tell you all happy Thanksgiving. And you know, everybody knows I like to do a lot of legal videos, all kinds of things, legal cases, all sorts of things, case analysis, legal timelines, all sorts of things. I want to show you something fun today. Baseball or any sports team. If you have anyone that loves a sports team, I got Kangaroo Court. I want to tell you guys about this. We did this up at Fresno State. Our team became #1 in the country for a very short period of time, but we became #1, went to the College World Series. We did it with the Kangaroo Court. So I want to go and show you a little bit more on the whiteboard. Woo! All right. So Kangaroo Court, this is one of the funnest things. Now, in sports, you want your teammates to get together to basically be able to work with each other. But you also want to build that unity where they're having fun together. We had an old saying in the Cincinnati Reds in the farm system. Guy named Chris Gill came up with it. The team that works together, has fun together, parties together, wins together. So we just love that. That's our saying. But the Kangaroo Court, this is something fun you can implement in any sport, not just baseball. And I just want to show you real quick basics of it. Here's what we did at Fresno State. This was back in 1988, 89. And I'd been up there, and what you do is you have out here when you're stretching, either before or after you're stretching, you can have, and you could do it like once a week if you want. You don't have to do it every single day. But what happens, say you see somebody, I put here a list of offenses, and I put here some potential penalties, okay? So you may have somebody, you see him on campus, this guy, one of your players, one of your teammates, and he's out on campus, he comes in, he comes back, he's got a big hickey on his neck. That used to be a favorite one. Hey, you got a hickey. Oh, we're going to call you before the court, the Kangaroo Court, and you're going to have to pick a lawyer over here. Say you want to pick him. And I was picked a pretty good amount of times. And you get together, you go over here, you come up with a strategy like, well, maybe it really was. It's not a hickey. It looks like a hickey. What happened is it was a couple of mosquitoes bit him here, and he was rubbing it, and it was really just mosquitoes from the night before. So you come up with the defense. You go, you get all the players. You go 1, 2, 3, and you're either up or you're down. If your majority rule is down, then we look at the penalty phase of the Kangaroo Court. You might have to shag balls, maybe something you have to go out and during batting practice and shag all the balls or something like that. Here's a funny one. You can come up with some sort of funny, ridiculous helmet, and we had one. I can't even explain it. I can't even explain it on this channels. So you can come up with some weird, funny helmets or something they have to wear. Or you can come up with just about anything. If the field has any needs, if you have to pull out the tarp or do anything, doesn't really matter. But you have offensive, maybe it's you saw somebody wearing really ugly, ridiculous clothes on campus, or somebody walking around with a bed head or something like that. Throwing up at a party, that was another one that pops up. What are you doing out there throwing up at a party? We're calling you before the Kangaroo Court. So it was a lot of fun. It makes the team have a lot of fun together. And consequently, hopefully win together, hopefully win that championship. So just wanted to show you that, something fun. It's not the law, it's not the courthouse, but it's a kind of a fun way, something fun you can do to build team unity on the field. And for Chrissy Gill, oh, ag.